Were there any challenges or barriers you foresee in implementing the tools or strategies we discuss during the workshop, particularly when it comes to your institution or if maybe also in your country?
For me, the barrier for implementing the digital transformation is like the digital infrastructure at my institution is limited because it's located in the rural area. So it sometimes internet connection is not stable. And another barrier is a student that also
Used to,
not digital literacy, so also have limited. And some students from poor family, so they don't have the digital device to use it. That is the barrier for my institution.
How about the academic staff? Do you see any?
Academic staff as well have limited digital literacy. Only the staff from IT department, they know very well, but staff from another faculty still have limited.
Yeah, in Laos case, I think that it's similar to Cambodia. So the first one is digital infrastructure. It's become the first priority that we need to improve. So in order to implement the online learning and teaching. So the second one is about the readiness of professor, student in terms of the digital literacy. So the third one is very important is policy and guideline to support the learning and policy
and guideline.
And then another barrier, I think, if it's talking about the barrier, so we also need to think about the institutional advocacy also, because in order to to make a movement in terms of the developing the content, developing the teaching and online learning, we need somehow of the support there. And also the relevance prioritizing the task as well. So whether there should be the priority for the institution or university to implement first or second or third. So that's what is something also important also. So they need to be aware that, the decision maker need to be aware that so the importance of the implementation of the system. And also the mindset shift, because nowadays people are resistant to use the same.
So that's still resisting. There has to be a change, a paradigm shift. Thank you. How about in your university?
For the challenge, right, of barrier implementation for the tool or strategies. In this question we have two levels, right? The first one will be the national levels. The national level must come up with the national policy, like national law or guidelines or acts for digital learning.
Do you mean that at the moment you still haven't got?
Should be run this one first in the national levels. For this.
Does it mean that at the moment it's not in place yet?
Not
not in place yet nationally. Okay.
And also the curriculum standard for the develop the curriculum in digital. That's when we develop the curriculum much more aligned with the national standard. This one is the one thing that should be a barrier for us. And also in the institution or the local, right? The local way. This one, the one thing that the barrier
So
are
you
all
can
the
use hand
dimension
or finger sensor.
infrastructure and also maintenance infrastructure. When the year pass, right, for 10 years we have to maintain the infrastructure. This one should be considered, and also the upgrading material is this way.
Right.
And another thing also mentioned as well, and how, and also the internet,
The internet.
the stability is this one,
Yeah.
to make sure that can be accessed in anywhere. This one we still have the problem.
I agree with them, and I think it's one thing. It's the understanding of the lecturer and student, because they used to the old method how to teach or how to learn. So we have to change their mind,
Change their mind.
teach
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
highlight for them.
Using digital technology.
Yes.
Well, like Cambodia and Laos also, and in my university, we respond for 3 provinces in Laos, in the central parts, right? So there are many students from many countries, many districts to come here. And how can they affordable to access to digital learning, right? Just like learn from mobile or learn from computer like this in my university. It's not the same.
It's not
Just like Cambodia,
Yeah.
from rural
Rural areas.
Yeah.
You're from Savanaki?
Yes.
So same as
Chui.
Chui.